Hey everybody, today we're in Hewing Farms. It's a Mungo Home Builder, super close to your house.
Yeah, so Carnes Crossroads is right over there. Mackey Farms so it sits right in between Mackey and Carnes, and we're only 3 miles from I-26 here in Summerville.
If you've never seen us before, my name is Mark, this is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group, and we help people just like you buy, sell, relocate, and invest here in the Charleston and Summerville area. Whether you're buying in 9 days, 9 months, or 90 days, we want to help you. We get calls and texts from people just like you all the time, and we look forward to talking to you.
Yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about this neighborhood. So I do some research because it's all over the board here. They've got little stuff up to really big stuff.
Okay.
Between 2 and 6 bedrooms. Obviously, they have 1 story and 2 story. A lot of the 2 stories have the porches looking out over the second floor, off the master bedroom or whatever.
Yep.
But between 2 and 4.5 baths, and square footage goes from 1,709, so that's their smallest ranch.
Okay.
Which is actually a really good sized ranch at 1,700 plus. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Up to 4,330 square feet.
300.
Yeah, 43.
Holy moly.
That's a monster. So think about that. 6 bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,330 square foot home.
That is huge. Like,
It's a
both
monster.
our families could live in that.
Yeah.
Not that we would want to live together.
I don't know that would go well. Listen, I'm gonna say it. I love you.
I love you too.
I don't want to live with you.
I snore really bad.
Yes, this would not go well. So in this neighborhood, there's also 16 different plans to choose from. And we're a big fan of this builder. We've done multiple builds with them before. We like
over
the work they do. Yeah,
Summerville area
they've got
especially.
multiple neighborhoods there over in Cane Bay, here by Carnes.
Peterson Farms.
Yeah, all over.
Yep.
And they're going to have a really cool amenity center here. It's not up yet. You're going to see some video in the drone.
I saw something on the sign.
What'd you
in
see?
the Amenity Center.
What is it?
What do I love?
What do you? Well, me you just said so.
Oh yeah.
I'm not going to be at the
But
amenity center.
what thing do I like to do?
They have a putting green.
They do have a putting green.
Putting
I'm
green,
so
yeah.
excited.
And here's what I don't even know what this is, but they said it's going to have an oyster shed.
Okay.
I don't exactly know what you do.
Maybe it's like a covered area for shucking oysters.
Oh, thank goodness. You're so smart.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just guessing.
Or could you have pet oysters? Like maybe it's a shed that you can keep a pet oyster.
I'm gonna go with my idea over yours.
Okay, yeah. But 2 models here. Let's go inside, check these around, look around the neighborhood. I think you're gonna love it.
Look, Jeff, they got a putting green. See?
I know, he's so excited.
Yes.
So we're over at the new amenity center. It's coming, but they got a great picture. So I just figured we'd look through it. So
Yeah.
putting green with 2 holes. So 1 for me, 1 for you.
Yep. Absolutely.
Beautiful pool. And there's going to be a lake here, apparently.
Yep.
With like a little trail. I don't know. That's not a trail. That's a sidewalk going around. It's not a trail, right?
Right. But it's good stroller walk.
Yeah, that's it. When the
To put your
kids
kid to sleep?
to make them fall asleep.
Yep.
You used to have to take your girls for a drive sometime just to get them.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, yeah.
Did you do the vacuum thing when you had twins?
No, but my mother said that she used to do run a blender
Blender. Okay.
in the house, and that would make me go to sleep.
Huh.
To this day, somebody goes to mix a margarita, I get sleepy. All right, so over there by you.
Got a playground.
Yep.
And then this, I'm sure it's bathrooms and stuff in there.
But I don't exactly know what a shucking shack is, but I
don't see
wonder
it.
if it's underneath, like if it's.
Oh, you think it's that?
Well, I mean that's the whole pavilion.
Well, I
but
see a little couch in there. You might be right.
you could. I think the shucking shack is in there.
Okay.
And then a place to park your bikes But here's what I want is look at the psychopath that parked this car. Look, that is not even close to being in there. And this white truck they're all the way over to the right. And look at this lunatic right here. There is no way that somebody in that white truck can get in their car
No.
because of this jerkweed right there.
They need to make the parking spaces a little bit wider, I think.
We're gonna call Mungo and have that fixed.
We'll have it fixed, don't worry.
It'll be fine before
Yep.
you get here. So really cool neighborhood, lots of new construction coming. Little house up to, oh my God, size houses.
Huge.
And that's it. If you have questions about this one, how do they find us?
Yeah, of course, the best way to find us is click the link in the description below, and you can book a Zoom call with us if you're not here locally. If you are here locally, you can also book an in-person meeting at our office in Nexton in Summerville. And then remember, whether you're coming in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, we would love to help you. We want to know about it. We'll do a little Zoom call before you come so we can narrow in exactly where you want to be.
It'd be nice if we could do a Zoom call with you and I sitting here shucking oysters.
We could do that from my backyard.
We could do that.
Yeah.
And remember, don't park like that. Nobody likes that guy. Don't be that guy.
Like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be in the know of everything happening in the Charleston market.